Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox not launching or closes instantly on your Microsoft Store. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Roblox not launching or closes automatically on your Microsoft Store, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on the start menu, click on settings. After that, you just need to click on apps, click on apps and features. In this, you need to find Roblox. Just you need to click on this three dot and click on uninstall. And click on uninstall, and this will remove your Roblox. After removing this, just close this window, click on settings, click on apps, click on apps and features. Here you need to find Microsoft Store. You can see here Microsoft Store. You just need to click on this three dot, click on advanced option, scroll down a little bit. You can see here first you should click on repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. This app's data won't be affected. Just click on repair. After completion of this repair, check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you can try the second method. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. After reading this carefully, just click on reset. Click on reset. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix Roblox not launching or closes instantly on your Microsoft Store. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.